Welcome to SR Media. This is Saidur Rahman. Dear viewers, today I am going to describe about Russia. Russia is a vast and complex country with a rich history, diverse geography, and a significant role in global affairs. Here's a deep dive into its various aspects. Basic information. Official name Russian Federation. Capital Moscow. Largest cities Moscow, St. Petersburg, Novosibirsk, Yekaterinburg, Kazan. Official language Russian. Population 143 million. Area 17.1 million square kilometer. Currency Russian ruble RUB. Government Federal Semi-Presidential Republic. President Vladimir Putin. Prime Minister Mikhail Mishustin. Geography and climate. Geographical feature. Russia stretches across Europe and Asia, covering 11 time zones. It borders 14 countries, including China, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, and Finland. Major mountain ranges. Ural Mountain divides Europe and Asia. Caucasus Mountain, Altai Mountain. Major rivers. Volga, longest in Europe. Lena, Yenisei, Obi, Amur. Lake Baikal in Siberia is the deepest freshwater lake in the world. Climate Siberia, extremely cold winter. European Russia, continental climate with warm summers and cold winter. Black Sea region, milder, almost Mediterranean climate. History, ancient and medieval Russia from 19th to 16th century. Kievan Rus from 19th to 13th century, a powerful state that adopted Orthodox Christianity in 988 AD. Mongol invasion from 13th century led to the Golden Horde's rule over Russia. Moscow emerged as a power in the 14th century, leading to the unification of Russia lands. Ivan the Terrible, became the first Tsar of Russia in 1547. Imperial Russia from 17th to 20th century. The Romanov dynasty from 1613 to 1917 ruled for over 300 years. Peter the Great from 1682 to 1725 modernized Russia and expanded its border. Catherine the Great from 1662 to 1796 expanded Russia further into Europe and the Caucasus. Napoleonic Wars 1812. Russia defeated Napoleon's invasion. Revolution of 1917 led to the fall of the monarchy and the rise of communism. Soviet Union USSR from 1917 to 1991. Lenin and Bolsheviks seized power in the Russian Revolution. Joseph Stalin 1924 to 1953 led industrialization but also brutal purges. World War II 1941 to 1945, the USSR played a key role in defeating Nazi Germany. Cold War 1947 to 1991, tension with the US and the West space race and nuclear arms race. Collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991 led to Russia becoming an independent country. Modern Russia 1991 present. Economic turmoil in the 1990th century under the Boris Yeltsin. Vladimir Putin became president in 2000, consolidating power. annexation of Crimea 2014 led to international sanction. Russia has been involved in various geopolitical conflicts, including the Russia-Ukraine War 2022 present. Economy, key industries, oil and gas, one of the world's largest producer of oil and natural gas. Metal and mining, Russia is a major exporter of gold, diamonds and rare minerals. Agriculture, world's largest wheat exporter. Technology and space, Russia was the first country to send a human, Yuri Gagarin, into space. Economic challenges, dependence on energy exports makes the economy vulnerable. Western sanctions have impacted trade and technology access. Wealth inequality is a significant issue. Culture and society, language and religion. Russia is the most spoken Slavic language. Major religion, Russia Orthodox Christianity through Islam, Buddhism and Judaism are also practiced. Maslenitsa, a festival marking the end of winter, similar to Mardi Gras, New Year's Eve, more celebrated than Christmas in Russia. Banya, Russian sauna, is a popular tradition. Politics and international relations. Political system, Russia has a strong presidential system where the president holds significant power. The Federal Assembly, Parliament, consists of the State Duma and the Federation Council. Foreign relations, major allies, China, Belarus, Iran, India. Tension with the US, NATO and the European Union. Member of United Nations Security Council, BRICS. Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Military and space exploration. Military, Russia has the world's second most powerful military after the US. It has the largest stockpile of nuclear weapons. Active conflicts, involvement in Ukraine, Syria and other geographical struggles. Space exploration, first satellite, Sputnik 1957, first human in space, Yuri Gagarin 1961. Roscosmos continue to collaborate with international space agencies. Tourism and travel, top destination Moscow, Red Square, Kremlin, St. Basil's Cathedral, St. Petersburg, Hermitage, Museum, Winter Palace, canals, Lake Baikal, deepest and oldest freshwater lake, Trans-Siberian Railway, longest railway in the world, Sochi, popular Black Sea resort. Travel tip, Russia visa requirements can be strict. The Cyrillic alphabet is widely used, so learning basic Russia phrases is helpful. Winter can be extremely cold, so pack accordingly. That's all for the time being. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.